Welcome to Healthy Building Services. Byproducts of cleaning chemicals for drinking water in healthy buildings. Chlorine and chloramine can lead to the formation of disinfectant byproducts such as trihalomethanes and haloacetic acids, as well as N-nitrosodimethylamine, which may lead to cancer, kidney problems, stomach discomfort, eye irritation, skin irritation, fluorosis and other adverse health effects when exposure occurs at levels above the EPA standards. Follow standards for water being delivered to the building area for human consumption. Total trihalomethanes less than 0.08 mg per liter. Reference: EPA 35. Total haloacetic acids less than 0.06 mg per liter. Reference: EPA 36. Thanks for watching our video. For more information join us www.myhealthybuildings.com.